Hello, in this video I'm going to repair this television. The customer just brought in a TV. This is CRT TV, Samsung brand for 14 inch. It's completely dead. In this case, first you have to check the power supply. You check the primary section, and then you check the secondary section. For this television, the secondary section has the two sources. The voltage of 125 volts to supply for the horizontal transistor flows through the flyback transformer. The power of 13 volts to supply other parts. Now, let's start. First, we have to check the power supply. I plug in the power to try. You check the voltage at the input capacitor. The voltage at the input capacitor is good. You check the voltage at the output capacitor. You check the voltage of the secondary section. The voltage 125 volts to supply for the horizontal transistor. and then you check the voltage 13 volts to supply other sections. No voltage 13 volts. This is the diode. The diode the diode and capacitor to filter the voltage 13 volts to supply for other section. No voltage here. You check some components like diode and the fuse and the diode. The diode to rectify is good. The diode to rectify is good. And then you check the fuse. The fuse and the diode are connected in a series. The fuse is broken. This fuse is broken. We can use a wire to solder. We can use a small wire to solder. We can use a small wire to connect and solder. We can use a small wire to connect and solder it. The fuse has broken. We can use a small wire to connect and solder it. The fuse and the diode are connected in series to rectify the voltage of 13 volts to supply other parts of TV. I plug in the power to try. Now, I measure the voltage 13 volts. Now the voltage of 13 volts is good. Now, the screen of this television is good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.